The soil moisture sensor is an invaluable tool for monitoring soil hydration levels. This easy-to-use sensor helps students and hobbyists measure the moisture content in the soil, which is crucial for plant growth and agricultural applications. It can be used in a wide array of projects, ranging from simple home garden monitoring to complex agricultural automation systems. The soil moisture sensor operates on the principle of resistive sensing. It consists of two probes that are inserted into the soil. When a small voltage is applied to these probes, the sensor measures the resistance between them. Wet soil is a good conductor of electricity, while dry soil is a poor conductor. The sensor translates this resistance into a moisture level, providing either analog or digital output that can be read by a microcontroller. The basic functioning involves measuring the electrical resistance between the probes, translating the resistance value into moisture content, outputting this value for further processing or immediate feedback. The sensor can interact with other components such as Arduino, Raspberry Pi, or any other microcontroller via GPIO, general purpose input-output pins. In conclusion, the soil moisture sensor is an indispensable tool for anyone involved in agriculture, gardening, or any project requiring precise moisture level detection. Its ease of use and high accuracy make it an essential component for both hobbyists and professionals interested in creating intelligent, automated systems.